When we onboard new clients, one of the first conversations we have, one of the first questions they ask us is which Beehiiv plan is right for me. So in this series of 3 videos, we want to answer that question for you. Maybe you want to start your own newsletter and you're deciding which plan to go on, whether you've already got an audience or whether you're, got a 9 till 5 and you want to start your 5 till 9 side hustle. You want to know which plan is right for you, or you're going after newsletter clients yourself and you want to help advise them, then this video series is for you. So Beehiiv has these 3 plans. We've got launch, grow, and scale. And in this 3-part series, I'm just going to give you a rundown of the pros and cons of each one so that you can figure out which is the right one for you. So this video is going to be all about launch, but if you stay to the end of the video, I'll show you where you can get the grow and the scale videos as well. So as is probably quite obvious, the first plan there is our free one. Okay, so the launch plan is free, which is obviously one of our first benefits. The fact that there's no commitment and it's completely free means if you are testing things out, if you just want to log in and learn, if you haven't quite decided on your niche, or you might think you will change your mind later on, then you haven't put any money into this. So it's free and there's no commitment in order to stay for a fixed period of time. And the other great thing about this is there's no hosting. So if you start a website, for example, and you want to do blogging, you need to get hosting, you need to get a domain, you need to sign up to some kind of provider for the website. So for example, you need Wix or Squarespace, and you've got to pay for those to take their branding off. You don't have any of those costs when it comes to a newsletter, but you'll still get your homepage, you'll still get your sign up page, and you'll still get all your newsletters published online. So it is a great way to start testing out whether you are actually committed to making money online, whether you can stick it out. Most people can't. So if you can stick it out and write a newsletter for 6 months and start to grow it, you're actually doing better than 99% of people, because 99% of people do actually start something and never actually follow it through. You get up to 2,500 subscribers and you should be monetized well before that and moving on to the other plans. And as I said, stick around to the end and I'll show you where you can get the videos where we talk through the pros and cons of the other 2 options for you. But you can still write and schedule all your newsletters, no issue. Now, we talk about on this channel how you can use AI to write your content, and just go back and you can find the content on our channel. We've got a free course that you can find on the channel homepage and other videos that we've released in February talking about using AI to create your content. You're going to get basic analytics, which is great because you're going to see things like subscriber numbers, click-through rates, and open rates, which if you're going to go and get yourself a sponsorship deal, then you are going to need to pass on that data to whoever is in your niche. Now, you should be having conversations with sponsors early on, even if you offer them a free spot to start off with. And you can still send daily, weekly, or monthly newsletters. Beehiiv has a limit of 1 newsletter every 24 hours. I won't let you schedule it more than that. Whichever model you're interested in, they've got options for you. And you can create templates as well, which means you can always use the same layout. This is going to save you a ton of time. And again, we teach you how to do this in our free course. And then all you've got to do is use AI to write the content and move it across. It doesn't matter whether you're doing affiliates, whether you are looking at a curated or long form newsletter, you can use that template. And then you're able to drive sign-ups from lead magnets. So you can put your lead magnet into your welcome email, and then you could spend your time on social media advertising your lead magnet, and people will sign up, receive the lead magnet, and then they'll be part of your newsletter. And then it's your job just to keep giving the value, growing that subscriber base till you can get the point where you can get the sponsorship deals in. But you can make money from day one because you can use affiliate links inside your newsletters. You can sell your own products from day one. So there's none of this having to rank in Google or anything like that you have to wait for. You just need to get onto social media, offer some kind of lead magnet, people sign up, and if they click your links and they like what you're doing, then they can buy from you straight away. Now, some of the cons with this particular plan, some of the things you are going to be missing out on that you might actually want and might benefit your business is you are obviously limited by the number of subscribers. So like I said before, by the time you're at 1,000 subscribers, you should be making some money and you should be considering going on to the other plans. But once you hit that 2.5K, you are going to be limited with not being able to take any more subscribers on. But taking it in the cost of the other plans shouldn't be an issue, like I said, because you should be making money. You cannot run a paid newsletter on this plan. So again, if your business model, or you go to a potential client and they want to run a paid newsletter, or they want a paywall within their newsletter, then this is not going to be an option for them. And I've put here no growth tools. I probably should have put limited growth tools, because you can use things like magic links, but the majority of this is not going to be accessible to you on the free plan. And that's what Beehiiv is designed for. It is designed to be the newsletter growth platform, and these tools are amazing. If you would like me to make a video on all of these different tools, then just put the word grow into the comments for me and we can make that video for you. And if you are interested in checking out the other plans and seeing whether they are worth your while, whether you need to go on to grow or scale, then you should be able to see a video on the screen now. Click on that and you can watch.